This was a pool remodel I did for a customer in Austin, Texas that lived on Lake Travis. This was a pool that was built in the mid-70s originally. It did not exist the way you see it today. The only thing that existed the way you see it today is the actual shell of the pool, the shape. Some of the things we've done to this job is we added a negative edge, raised planters flanking each side of the pool. Out of those raised planters, there's a shear descent coming into the pool as well. We stepped the deck down in 2 phases. We poured an overlay on the existing deck up to the threshold of the back doors. That allowed for a no step out of the house. Originally, you had about a 6-inch step coming out of the house onto the patio. The other reason we did this is it allowed us to kind of do a architecturally cool element here by making it look like 2 different materials on the deck. It was such a large deck area that it started to look pretty blah, pretty commercial. So we raised that other area up, eliminated the step out of the house, put sun deck with a 3x3 tile pattern on it, with the grout being one color, the tile being another, and then a splatter effect inside of that as well. Then you step down 6 inches to the main pool deck, which is just a classic texture sun deck, one color. We added the trellis on this job because there was absolutely zero shade on the back of the house. Added a barbecue, and from the barbecue there's a serve-through window into the kitchen, which is pretty nice for entertaining and things like that. We added stone steps down to the yard area. These raised planters, the raised planters have shear descents in them, and that is the way we get the water that goes over the negative edge back into the pool, is through those 2 shear descents. The barbecue consists of a barbecue, a refrigerator, a kegerator, 3 GFCI plugs for whatever they might need to do, blenders, etc. The trellis has 2 ceiling fans in it with lights. The bar is made up of luter stone counters with chopped luter for the vertical. The same stone is used for the vertical on the planter walls. The luter stone is carried in throughout the job, as well as the pool coping, the capping of the planter walls, the deck steps going down to the yard as well. There was about a 7-foot change of grade on this property. The pool was kind of sitting at the bluff, so we had to excavate away from the bluff, shoot the negative edge catch basin, which is actually working as the footer for the pool as well to keep it from sliding down the hill. We finished it with a quartzite interior and has a UV system on for sanitization. The decks on this also had wood control joints, which we ripped out, did an epoxy injection on, and eliminated that, and did tooled control joints to give it a much more uniform, consistent look. The job came out great. The homeowners love it. I hope you guys like it as much as we enjoyed building it. Thank you.